Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and this week we're going to find out if you can clean an O2 sensor and save yourself a few dollars, because these damn things get pretty pricey, especially if you have 4 of them. So let's see if we can clean an O2 sensor and make it work and save ourselves some money. Let's get to wrenching. All right, let's hook up the old OBD2 scanner. Yep, there is that check engine light that everybody gets, and 9 times out of 10, it's an O2 sensor. All right, we've connected our OBD2 up to this. Let's go ahead and do an auto VIN. It's checking. Looks like 2 codes have been found. Let's go find out what those 2 codes are. All right, these are our codes right there. Looks like P1035, P0498, and P135. So both of those we're getting. We're getting both of those codes. That sounds like we need an O2 sensor cleaning. All right, guys, this is the O2 sensor out of our 2005 Honda Accord 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. And you can see she's looking her age. It's probably never been replaced. We're going to see if we can clean that up today instead of having to buy a whole new one, because a whole new one of these things is probably a couple $100 from the dealer or maybe on Amazon. But let's clean this up and let's see if we can get it to work. Grab yourself a can of this carbon throttle body cleaner. I'm using Valvoline. You can use any one you want. And there's the shop dog, Miss Sierra. Sierra, I'm trying to do something. I'll move. You stay there. Don't move. Yes, you're a princess. So with our O2 sensor in our hand here, we're going to go ahead and spray it down really quickly. You just want to lightly get in there and get all those little nicks and crannies everywhere you can find. Maggie, there's always dogs in my videos. Get out! Just spray it off. Get in there good. Spray that all around. Good. Now, let this dry completely. Go make yourself a sandwich, a drink, something, a cold beverage. And puppies, move, go! Let this dry. All right, now that we have that O2 sensor cleaned and reinstalled, let's clear our codes and let's see what happens. All right, guys, now that that's done, a couple little tips for you. Once you change out that O2 sensor, clear the code, take your car for like a 20 or 30-minute drive, get that oxygen sensor heated up, make sure it gets through a few cycles. It may take 2 or 3 drives before the computer sees the new O2 sensor in there. So make sure to clear that sensor a few more times, and eventually it will come. If it doesn't, then yeah, you're gonna have to pony up some money and buy yourself a new O2 sensor. And that is what it is, and you can't do nothing about that. It's kaput, time for a new one. So, hope this video saved you a couple bucks. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and check out more my DIY automotive videos to keep your car on the road for as cheap as you can. Until next time, have a good one.